Swiss Silver Fir, Abies alba, also known as European Silver Fir, is a majestic evergreen tree known for its tall stature and attractive silver-gray foliage. If you're looking to grow this beautiful conifer from seed, this comprehensive guide will provide you with step-by-step instructions to successfully propagate Swiss Silver Fir and nurture it into a healthy tree. Collecting and preparing seeds. Start by collecting mature Swiss Silver Fir cones from the tree during autumn when they are fully developed. Allow the cones to dry in a warm and well-ventilated area until they open and release their seeds. Extract the seeds carefully and remove any debris or leftover cone scales. Store the seeds in a cool, dry place until you are ready to sow them. Preparing the germination medium. Swiss Silver Fir seeds require a period of cold stratification to break dormancy. To simulate this process, mix the seeds with a moist germination medium, such as peat moss or vermiculite, in a plastic bag. Place the bag in the refrigerator or another cold location, around 32 to 41 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, for about 6 to 8 weeks. This cold treatment will help trigger the germination process. Sowing the seeds. After the cold stratification period, prepare small pots or seed trays with a well-draining soil mixture. Fill them with a blend of peat moss, perlite, and sand. Moisten the soil lightly before sowing the Swiss Silver Fir seeds. Spread the seeds evenly on the soil surface, and then cover them with a thin layer of the same soil mixture. Providing optimal growing conditions. Place the pots or seed trays in a location that receives indirect sunlight or dappled shade. Swiss Silver Fir seedlings prefer a cool and moist environment, so avoid exposing them to direct sunlight or extreme temperatures. Transplanting seedlings. As the seedlings grow, they will develop their first set of true leaves. When they reach a suitable size, usually after 1 year, carefully transplant them into larger pots or individual containers. Use a well-draining potting mix and ensure that the new containers provide ample space for root development. Transplanting to the outdoor site. When the Swiss Silver Fir seedlings have grown into strong and sturdy saplings, they can be transplanted to their permanent outdoor location. Choose a site with well-draining soil, preferably in a slightly shaded area with protection from harsh winds. Dig a hole large enough to accommodate the root ball of the sapling, place it carefully, and backfill the hole with soil. Water the newly transplanted tree thoroughly. Ongoing care. Once the Swiss Silver Fir is established in the ground, continue to monitor its growth and provide proper care. Regular watering, especially during dry periods, is crucial to ensure healthy development. Apply a layer of mulch around the base of the tree to conserve moisture and suppress weed growth. Patience and long-term growth. It's important to note that Swiss Silver Fir is a slow-growing tree, and it may take several years to reach significant heights. Exercise patience and enjoy the process of watching your seedlings grow into magnificent trees over time. By following these comprehensive steps, you can successfully grow Swiss Silver Fir from seed and witness the beauty and grandeur of this remarkable conifer in your own garden.